Hello, Joey here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q50. We have the lovely color combination Hagane blue, which is a steel blue on graphite black leather. This one is a vehicle we recently acquired off lease from Infiniti Financial Services. One owner clean Carfax from sunny California. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. If you're in the market for a performance / luxury sedan, the Q50 is a great choice with its outstanding performance and reliability. It's built in Japan. So if you value Japanese vehicles actually being made in Japan, the Q50 is a real deal. Not all Japanese brands these days are actually made in Japan, but like I said, the Q50 is. Very nicely equipped with features with the premium package, moonroof, beautiful alloy trim. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for the clock and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can adjust the climate control settings, the radio settings. Also features a Bose premium audio system. If you like music, you'll love that Bose audio system. And it has HD radio, so HD radio gives you near digital quality audio. It's actually better than CD quality, and it's better than what you get from Sirius XM. So it's free over the air. High definition music, and HD radio allows you to have more stations. Like a lot of local stations actually have 2 or 3 HD stations, which you can only access those extra stations by having HD radio. So it's really cool stuff. This one has 23,931 miles at the time of making this video. Lots of warranty left on it. It has a balance of a 4-year 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Also has an automatic dimming mirror, of integrated compass, and universal garage door opener. Also features tinted windows. The Q50 is built on the advanced frontmanship platform. The reason why they call it that is they place the engine as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is near the middle of the vehicle, so it rotates on its axis through the corners for improved handling and feel. This also shares its platform with the Nissan 350Z and Nissan 370Z sports car, and rear-wheel drive is really good for performance. That's why most race cars are built on rear-wheel drive platforms, not front-wheel drive. Nice spacious interior. This Q50 also features an advanced traction stability control system called Vehicle Dynamic Control, which will help you keep the vehicle in control if you use if you get a little too happy with the throttle and put too much of that 328 horsepower to the ground, or in wet slippery conditions, it'll help keep the vehicle from spinning and fishtailing. The heart of the Q50 is this award-winning VQ37 engine, still used in 2019 and 2020 Infiniti products. It's won lots of awards, features maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. And it has platinum tip spark plugs, so the first major tune-up's not till 105,000 miles. The timing chains are zero maintenance and never need to be replaced. The engine is designed to have a service life of 300,000 miles. And after working at Infiniti for 15 years, I've seen plenty of Infinitis come into service or on trade with 300,000 miles, still running strong. So it really is a fantastic power plant. And it makes nearly 330 horsepower, giving you sports car levels of performance. HID lights give you outstanding nighttime visibility. Has a nice LED strip for daytime mode, giving it a cool look. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us. being new or pre-owned. They all come with that 5-day money-back guarantee. No restocking fees, no gimmicks. It is 100% money back. Contact us for more details. And you can also buy with the confidence knowing this has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. You only get those Infiniti certified techs at a new Infiniti store like us. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very, very familiar with them. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.